I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to enable login alerts for your Facebook account on an iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone or iPad and then tap the menu icon on this screen. Step 2. Tap the settings icon on this menu. The settings and privacy screen is displayed. Step 3. Tap the Meta Account Center section. Step 4. Swipe down to the Account Settings section and then tap Password and Security. Step 5. Navigate down to the Security Check section and then tap Login Alerts. The next screen shows you a list of your Meta accounts. Step 6. Tap your Facebook account. The next screen shows you options for how you can receive login alerts. Email alerts will be enabled automatically, but if you want to receive in-app notifications whenever someone logs into your Facebook account, you'll need to toggle those on. Step 7. Tap to toggle on in-app notifications. Going forward, you'll receive both email and in-app notifications whenever someone logs into your Facebook account. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.